Finding the best budget cordless vacuum can completely transform your cleaning routine, making every task faster and more enjoyable. Imagine moving freely around your home without cords, effortlessly keeping floors and carpets spotless. Choosing the right vacuum brings comfort, convenience, and satisfaction, turning everyday chores into moments of pride while saving money and making your living space feel fresh and inviting. Number 1. Shark Cordless Vacuum. The Shark Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with HEPA filter in dark gray transforms cleaning into a satisfying and effortless experience, making everyday chores feel rewarding. Its powerful suction allows every corner of the home to be refreshed, turning spaces into welcoming environments that bring comfort and peace of mind. Moving through carpets and hard floors becomes fluid, giving a sense of control and accomplishment with every sweep. This vacuum creates a feeling of freedom and confidence, empowering households to maintain a fresh and organized living space without stress. The auto-empty system adds reassurance, allowing users to focus on the joy of a clean home rather than the hassle of maintenance. Families immediately notice the difference as rooms feel lighter, more inviting, and healthier, fostering a sense of calm and well-being that enhances daily life. The Shark Cordless Vacuum Cleaner encourages consistency, making it easier to keep up with daily cleaning while feeling in control and satisfied. Its HEPA filter adds an emotional sense of security, knowing the air quality is improved and spaces are cleaner for everyone. Each use turns routine cleaning into a purposeful activity, inspiring pride and a feeling of accomplishment that makes ordinary days feel more rewarding. Owning this vacuum is about more than functionality, it is about embracing a lifestyle where care for the home feels effortless, efficient, and emotionally fulfilling. The Shark Cordless Vacuum Cleaner helps households enjoy organized, clean, and comfortable spaces, transforming ordinary cleaning tasks into moments of pride, satisfaction, and harmony every single day. Number 2. Shark Stratos Cordless Vacuum. The Shark Stratos Cordless Vacuum with Clean Sense IQ and Odor Neutralizer in Ash Purple brings a new sense of ease and satisfaction to home cleaning, turning everyday chores into enjoyable experiences. Holding it feels effortless, giving the impression that even the toughest messes can be handled with confidence. Every sweep across floors and carpets becomes purposeful, creating a sense of pride and accomplishment that resonates throughout the home. This vacuum inspires freedom and flexibility, allowing users to move seamlessly from room to room without restriction. Its multi-flex wand encourages convenience, making cleaning less stressful and more fluid while fostering a feeling of control over every corner. Families notice the difference as spaces feel fresher, healthier, and more inviting, creating an atmosphere of comfort and harmony that enhances daily life. The Shark Stratos Cordless Vacuum motivates consistency, transforming routine cleaning into a rewarding and emotionally satisfying task. Its odor neutralizer and anti-allergen brush add reassurance, giving the impression that the environment is not only cleaner but safer for everyone. Every use reinforces a sense of achievement, turning ordinary moments into opportunities for care and attentiveness. Owning this vacuum is about more than practicality, it is about embracing a lifestyle where home care is both effortless and emotionally fulfilling. The Shark Stratos Cordless Vacuum allows households to enjoy organized, clean, and welcoming spaces, transforming mundane cleaning tasks into moments of pride, comfort, and satisfaction every single day. Number 3. Dyson V15S Vacuum. The Dyson V15S Detect Submarine Wet Dry Vacuum in yellow and nickel transforms the way households experience cleaning, making every task feel effortless and satisfying. Holding it provides a sense of control and confidence, allowing users to move smoothly across different surfaces while managing both wet and dry messes. Cleaning becomes a purposeful activity that inspires pride and accomplishment with every use. This vacuum creates freedom and flexibility, empowering users to maintain a fresh and organized environment without struggle. Its design encourages seamless movement throughout the home, turning routine chores into an emotionally rewarding experience. Families immediately notice the difference as spaces feel cleaner, more inviting, and more comfortable, creating an atmosphere of calm and harmony that enhances daily life. The Dyson V15S Detect Submarine Wet Dry Vacuum inspires reassurance and reliability, giving the feeling that even challenging messes can be handled efficiently. Every sweep becomes satisfying, turning ordinary cleaning into a purposeful and fulfilling activity. The combination of wet and dry capabilities ensures versatility, allowing users to address spills, debris, and pet hair with ease while enjoying a sense of control and accomplishment. Owning this vacuum is about more than practicality. It is about embracing a lifestyle where home care feels effortless, efficient, and emotionally satisfying. The Dyson V15S Detect Submarine Wet Dry Vacuum allows households to maintain organized, clean, and welcoming spaces, transforming everyday chores into moments of pride, comfort, and joy while making daily life more harmonious and enjoyable. Number 4. Dyson Gen 5 Detect Cordless Vacuum. The Dyson General 5 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner brings a new level of ease and satisfaction to home cleaning, transforming everyday chores into moments of accomplishment. Holding it feels effortless and natural, giving users a sense of control and confidence as they move seamlessly across floors, carpets, and other surfaces. Cleaning becomes a purposeful activity that inspires pride and fulfillment. This vacuum encourages freedom and flexibility, empowering households to maintain fresh, organized spaces without stress. Every sweep creates a feeling of achievement, turning ordinary cleaning into an emotionally rewarding experience. Families immediately notice the difference as living areas feel cleaner, healthier, and more inviting, fostering comfort and calm that enhances daily life. The Dyson General 5 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner provides reassurance and reliability, making even the most challenging messes manageable. Each movement becomes satisfying, transforming routine tasks into moments of purpose and pride. The cordless design adds convenience and freedom, allowing users to reach every corner effortlessly while enjoying a sense of control and efficiency that uplifts the spirit. Owning this vacuum is about more than functionality. It is about embracing a lifestyle where home care feels effortless, efficient, and emotionally fulfilling. The Dyson General 5 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner helps households enjoy organized, clean, and inviting spaces, turning mundane cleaning tasks into experiences of satisfaction, pride, and harmony. Every day becomes an opportunity to create a comfortable, welcoming home that feels cared for and enjoyable. Number 5. Shark Vertex Pro Cordless Vacuum. The Shark Vertex Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner in black and silver transforms household cleaning into an effortless and satisfying experience, turning routine chores into moments of accomplishment. Holding it feels light and natural, allowing users to glide smoothly across floors and carpets while managing every corner with ease. Cleaning becomes purposeful, inspiring pride and confidence in maintaining a fresh and organized home. This vacuum creates a sense of freedom and control, empowering households to keep spaces inviting and comfortable. Its versatile design encourages seamless movement, transforming what used to feel like a tedious task into an emotionally rewarding activity. Families immediately notice the difference as rooms feel cleaner, healthier, and more welcoming, fostering a sense of calm and harmony that enhances daily life. The Shark Vertex Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner inspires reassurance and satisfaction, giving the feeling that even the most challenging messes can be handled efficiently. Each sweep becomes gratifying, turning ordinary routines into opportunities for care and attentiveness. Its portable and removable handheld design allows users to reach hidden areas effortlessly, making every task smoother and more enjoyable. Owning this vacuum is about more than practicality. It is about embracing a lifestyle where home care feels effortless, efficient, and emotionally fulfilling. The Shark Vertex Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner helps households maintain organized, clean, and inviting spaces, transforming ordinary cleaning into moments of pride, satisfaction, and comfort. Every day becomes an opportunity to enjoy a tidy, welcoming environment that feels cared for and harmonious.